Hello, good to see you. Let's have a look at Google Mails, or what we call Gmail. So this is an application provided by Google. So as long as you're having a Google account on your PC, you have access to actually the Google Mails. Google Mails is just another form of electronic mails that are on Google. So you can use it to send letters, to send emails, to send documents, to share information, files, and everything that you need uh, with contacts. It can be one contact, one individual, one company, one email, or you can actually share it with a number of emails. Yes, that is, if you choose to, create it as labels, or yeah, like labels are like groups, so you can actually send your information to more than one person just as at a go through Google Mail. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. You can look at this. How you can start sending an email. So you click on compose, and then you type your email or your letter to the person that you want to send to. You have the recipient. The recipient is basically the email account that you want to send to, and then the subject, that is the topic, and then right here you type your body, and then this is a signature. You can see right here, and this signature you can just set it and choose to include it or not. That happens in the settings of your what? Your signatures, and then send. The send button is right here, so you can send your email after typing everything that you want to send. The recipient, as I said, it can be uh, an email account that you want to send to, and then the subject is simply the topic, and then the body. You can start with a polite language like dear, or whatever you want to include, and then you write everything that you want to say, and then you send it. Or you can attach, maybe you can attach a document, you can attach a letter, you can attach a file or anything that you want to include in your email, and then after that you send. So that is how you can start about sending an email. And then there are other applications on Google, especially the settings account. The settings, you can set your signatures, you can set uh, how you want your emails to appear, the default style, and everything right there. So click on that, see all settings, then seeing all settings, you can actually be able to access um, much more or a broader view of the settings that you want to correct. So these are the general settings. So in general settings, there are very many things that you can change on your email designs and formats. I want to focus on the signatures. You can add a signature, like you can have different signatures for your document. So I already have two here. So you can add a signature, and then you give it a name, and then also you create what kind of signature, like what you want to be expressed in your signature, and then you can also choose which signature exactly to use for new emails, and then which signature exactly to use for your responses, or you can choose to use the same signature for both new emails or new messages, and then also the replies. So here we are, how to create. You just create right here. Okay, just change here the name, and then you continue like that. So you type here your signature name, uh, what you want the signature to be identified as, and then create. Okay. Okay, and then you can edit the signature. You type there the what you want to appear. If you select, or if you're using that signature, So you can use your name, maybe, or your position, or and then you can also edit how you want it to appear. If you want it to appear italicized or bold or underlined, and then if you want it to appear maybe aligned on the left or on the right, and then you can actually select very many signatures and then you number them in your email, just like that. So that is it about how to create signatures. Yeah, in an email account. Okay.